Hello, and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Natgas has shown interesting development given that after the last update, we've seen one more push here to the upside in what could be wave 5 of C of 2. Yeah, quick reminder, we talked about a corrective rally here and a wave 1 to the downside. That's what we've seen. And then an A, B, C to the upside. We were waiting for one more final push to the upside to possibly reach 230. It did reach 227, really close enough to consider it complete now. Doesn't have to be complete. I will tell you in this video what I need to see now to really get some clarity that this wave 2 corrective rally is complete. It is, as you can see, there's nothing really that makes this dip different from the previous ones. Well, something that makes it different is that the rally that started on the 27th of August is actually a completed pattern. So it, at any point now, I'm watching for the start of the third wave to the downside. Quick reminder again that it could be either circle 2 here as an ABC flat correction, or what we also explored was the idea that wave 2 already topped here on the 15th of August, and that this here is another 1-2 setup. But that's not my preferred scenario, because this decline that started on the 15th of August is only a 3-wave move down. And if this really is a larger impulse, it should be a 5-wave move. So given that this is a 3-wave move down and it does overshoot to the downside, I'm rather looking at this as a flat correction. So I'm happy with wave 2 to be complete, but we need to see minimally, I'd say, a break below the last low, which formed here at around $2.08. And I'd like to see a 5-wave move down. Now, okay, microstructure counting here is not very reliable, but I would say just looking at this visually, one more low would give me an initial 5-wave move to the downside. From an Elliott wave point of view, that would then indicate the trend has started to go down. Okay, so the trend has shifted from a local uptrend, multi-hour uptrend here, that started on the 27th of August back to a downtrend. And pretty much the way this move down would look like be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this here could be wave 1 of 1 or something. Okay, so this is obviously a wave degree where counting it doesn't really make much sense. But what we'd like to see is something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 1, which means the next larger bounce should tell us the truth. At the moment, I'm not confirming a top yet, but the next rally, I think, could be very decisive given the strength of the rejection just below that $2.30 level. And again, I'm not saying it needs to get to 230, so 230-ish, Why? Because there are so many Natgas charts. This is the continuous contract. And you could easily, you can select back adjusting. You get slightly different charts, and you get then slightly different fib levels, and you can also, if you don't go to the continuous contract, you get, then there's the Natgas spot chart. So don't look for absolute precision on the Natgas chart, but we can use Elliott wave here really good for understanding tendencies and where the trend is going at the moment. So we might be just in the process of changing from this local uptrend into a local downtrend. So at least that's what I'm watching at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.